Share screen. Entire screen. Entire screen. Okay, cool. I think cool. So let's, in case things mess up, let's record here too. Cool. Okay. Hey. So what's today's problem? Okay. Yeah, just share your screen. Hello. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. So first you want to know what a typical item should, look like, and how many kind of input, how many labels, how many tags typical item has, and then you can say, hey, based on the tags, based on what you are looking for, based on the keyword, what are you based on, like you need to base on something, so you can design the rules of the matching. So you can design how which one is your priority, which one is not so important, which one is the least important, and then you can design an algorithm that allow it to prioritize matching certain things first, then and you can give uh different like things, like different keyword, different weight, so that you can say, hey, it's more like 80% more important to match the tag. It's like 20%, important to match, the location. So you want to design that kind of algorithm and that system by yourself. But if you don't have any idea how to design it, you can just prompt to cursor, say, hey, I want it to be a smart matching, and can you develop the algorithm for me? Yes. So this part is very interesting, but you don't have to be an expert in whatever algorithm in order to do this. You basically decide, decide which one is more important. So there's no right or wrong algorithm in this case, because everyone have their own preference. I want that one to be good. That's more important. I want that person to be in New York. That's more important. So like different people probably have their own preference. So you can choose. And the problem of using agent right now is that they write the code directly for you. If you want the AI to propose some plan first before they execute, you can stop this one first. stop the no on the right, on the top down, right down, yeah, stop it, and undo all. And instead of using the agent, can you go down to the left? Yeah, auto to the left, the icon to the left of auto. Yes, can you click on it? And then you can click on plan first. So you can ask it to plan how to do that. So you can basically say, hey, go. You can go back to pick the what you typed before. Yes, you can copy. Yeah, click on it. Yeah, copy. Command C. Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, and then yeah, B. Yeah. So now you will not write code for you plan for you first. Then you pick the best plan, and then you do the code. So agent will actually just start writing code directly. But sometimes you don't want it to write code before you decide which one is the direction you want to go into. So you want to toggle between planning and and the writing. So you don't want to always use writing because it's harder to correct. It's easier to plan well. And then when you plan well, you do it well, you execute well. Yeah. Now you see, it actually plan for you. And then you can go through the logic, the plan, to see whether that's actually kind of the flow you want. And if that's not really the flow you want, you can adjust it. Go up. Yeah, see here. So it will give a score to different different item, different things. If you feel like it's very hard to understand, you can even like, if you can understand that, we can move forward. But if you think it's very hard to understand, you can say, hey, can you give me example how this works? I kind of very confused. Make it as detailed as possible. Okay. So you give example. So someone had this, another one had this, another one has this. How they are matching? Okay, so cool. This is what I want. Yeah. You can. I think you can click on the middle build. There's a build button. Do you see? Build button in the middle. In the middle and the top right. Yes. Click on it. Then you actually build that plan for you. See, this is a better way of executing it because you understand the plan and communicate with you, and then you confirm, you approve, and then you do that action. Then this action is more in control. Okay, so as you are waiting for this one, you can either plan the next step, or you can also do testing. You can have another yeah, you can do the next step. What's the next things you want to do? Okay, you want to test it. It's better if you want to test it, then it's better to wait until it's finished. Yeah, it's better to go to the first chat. Deployment. Okay, cool. That part is fairly easy. So to deploy, you need to have a domain. You need to have a server. You have the domain connect to the server, and then you deploy. Basically, just upload. Deploy means upload the code from your local computer to um, to the server. So you can manually, you can say, hey, can you test the matching functionality for me? Yeah, then you will come up with some testing stuff. Cool. So it's writing the testing script to test whether it works. Click on run. Oh, you're missing some what's that called, like library. Then it will tell you to install some library, so you don't need to worry. Yeah. Yeah. Click on run. Cool. Yeah, so you can check the test it run. You can check the script if you understand the coding, but if you don't understand the coding, you can check what the AI said, what he has done, summary of what he did. Yeah, go down. The last part, yeah. What he say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Like read the. So it has. Yes, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so you can also, if you want to see visually, you can say, can you test it visually, so that I can understand what's going on. Then you can actually open the browser, and then you can show you how you test it. Yeah. Yeah, go. The project has no package JSON. You can just say, hey, can you run the testing step for me? Yeah. Testing steps, step by step for me. Yeah. Okay. Go. Step what? You have one. If you want to be more specific, you can say, hey, can you open the browser internally and show the step of testing so that I know I can see it visually. I can see it visually, yeah. Yeah, open. Okay. Let it done. Can you go to the can you go to your cursor? Okay, it opens. I think it already works. You can close this one, yeah. This one is already finished. Yeah. Okay, so you want to deploy it, right? Okay, if you want to deploy it, there are like few ways. One is like you need to find a server first. So usually for beginner, I would suggest people to use DigitalOcean. Go to DigitalOcean. Yeah. Go to DigitalOcean and get started. Anything is fine, yeah. Personal, you can skip whatever. Personal, whatever. Yeah. Droplet, yeah. Oh, fuck. Let's wait. I think it's to join again. Hello, share your screen and then we can continue. Can you share your screen? Oh, Jobly is the best friend for simple stuff. Yeah, click on get started. Okay, cool. Pick New York and go down. Can you like full screen? Yeah, I usually use the basic one, regular one. If it's not very complicated, regular. Yeah, so I usually use this one if it's not that complicated. And yeah, so if it, I think 25 for simple website MVP is good enough. So you need to pay $6, but I think for your project specifically, it's better to be $12. I would suggest $12. Yeah, to avoid, and then you give your password. Go down. No, go down. Go up. Yeah, here. Give it a password. You can just make sure you copy it somewhere. You can. Yeah, just make sure you remember this password. A special character can be anything above the numbers on your keyboard. Yeah. Can you remember it? Or you can copy it somewhere. Just remember, this is your SH key. You you can either type it here. Okay, doesn't matter. Yeah, you can change it later. No problem. Yeah, go down, and then then you need to add your payment billing. Go to your billing. You see, go down, down. Yeah, you see your billing. You need to fill in your credit card info, and $12. Yeah, for that server. For this domain. Oh, this is server. Server is where it's kind of like a computer where you host all the code, and domain is basically just like an address. So you can consider host as your house. And in order to find you, I need to know your address so that I can come to your house. So you basically is the website, and then you live in a host, which is the server. Server is from DigitalOcean. So DigitalOcean is a building. It provide a lot of houses, provide a lot of hosts, so that you can live in their house. And then a domain is the address. So you connect the domain with your address, with your sorry, domain is your address. Address connect to your server, which is your home, your host, and then everyone can visit you from all over the world. Then they know, okay, you are living in Midtown, like 222 whatever street, and then people can find you, and then they can locate your apartment, so that they can have they all have access to your website. So your website will go live. That means everyone can see it now, can visit now. But if you never tell other people your address, even though you live in this apartment, no one know where it is. So I can't access. I cannot have information coming forward and back. So once I know your address, once I know your home, you have a place to host you, then everyone can visit you. So that's how you get everyone to be able to just type in a domain name and then find you. So right now we're setting the home, the host, which costs a little bit money every month. So for beginner, I would just suggest to buy the cheapest one, which is few dollars to $20. That's enough for a couple of thousand people like to sign up. As you scale, your server, your home need to be bigger, because you probably need to handle more people, more situation, more like you just need a bigger host, a bigger server, better server to process more. Just like more people visit your home, you need to kind of know how to handle so many people now. You need to have more cups, you need to have more water, you need to, like you just need to be more. So that's the same idea. So right now you need to fill in your we can cut this out, and then we can come back later. So you need to add your payment information, then the server will bill you every month. But if you don't buy it, then they will not bill it, and then you can start anytime. So after like 15 days, if you say, hey, I don't want to continue this server anymore, then you can stop it. You can stop it, and then they will charge you until 15 days. So that's what's great about DigitalOcean. They charge based on usage, and you can start anytime. Yeah, you probably can just like auto fill. Oh fuck. Yes, I think we should turn off. End streaming. Let me end the streaming.